here with this as a jump. And so just really thinking, so she's wanting to bend her shoulder, falling a little bit around the turn, but then she's falling the opposite way as you then try to get her straight. So think about, you are directing her between both of your legs, okay, in a straight manner. And so if she starts falling one way, tap, tap off that leg, but keeping the other leg steady, okay? So just really try to like funnel her. Okay? Set the rhythm with the
The kid or the horse?
The horse. I can tell she's starting.
She just loves to jump. She absolutely just adores jumping, so she wants to go. She won't do that again.